Ikechukwu Madmeru, biko na-emele gị vidiyo a dịka otu m si wee gwa gị, like as I told you. Please, Hillary will send you money to go to Port Harcourt. When you get to Port Harcourt, you people should hire Hayab to carry the tank, as Isaac claimed that is where the money invested in his hand is, so that you will put it in my property until I confirm that I have seen my money, as we agree to pay it in my account in Europe. If he refuses anything that he wants, you people should do it. Remove that tank to my own place. If he told you that he have already paid the money, present you any document that he has paid the money, ask him to call me and I should confirm that I have received my money. If not, don't agree in anything. As I have told you before, they are into everything. They are into everything. They can give you a forgery bank statement, which is not true. Like the email I received from FCMB, and I asked them to give me the CBN memo, and everybody was running away. So I don't want you to be fooled with them. And if you don't hear anything from me, carry that tank, keep it in my place. As I have said it and said it over again, let the belly, Azoka or Chukwudi, don't near any of my thing. Because any of them that eventually trespass to my place, I cause them not to near it. They should not even take anything from me. They should not even near anything about me. So if you don't hear from me, ask Isaac to contact Ozochukwu and Room. Then they should contact Igwe Mmoharu, self-declare Igwe Mmoharu. Mmoharu and Evaristus Uba should contact their own criminal organization to provide me. If I'm already dead, let them announce it that they have successfully killed me. Because it's Igwe Evaristus Uba. Because Evaristus Uba is a cousin brother to Benji Uba, and Benji Uba is a personal assistant to Peter Obi. And everybody knew, I knew, that the money of my company they have siphoned from state government is in Fidelity Bank. So, and that is the reason why my life is in danger. So as I drop you this message, go to Port Harcourt, Hillary will send you money. Call Hillary, he will send you money, and hold on Mr. Isaac for that tank. You have the evidence of that memo, that email from FCMB to me, which they cannot provide CBN memo about it, because everything he planned to play, the evidence is there. So take this video to him and let him not to argue with you, to keep as long as he claimed that my money is in that tank. So you should keep that tank in my own custody. If you confirm from me that I have received my money, then you let him have the tank, because he claimed that he already sold it. I don't know. I haven't seen money yet. So that's my message.